What's up everyone, Matt Agilon here with RestoreMyFence.com. We're out here in the Oakland Hills of California. Today's project, we're working on a modern horizontal clear cedar fence. We're gonna be cleaning it and brightening it and getting all prepped and ready for staying. If you take a look at over here, it's about 8 feet tall with about 250 linear feet total. We're really looking forward to just showing you guys the beginning process and the end process, so stay tuned. All right, so we finished staining this project about 3 days ago. We ended up going with an oil-based product. So oil-based stains are gonna soak into the wood, give it the most natural, enhanced look. It's also gonna be a lot easier to maintain later on down the road. You can simply just clean off the dirt, brighten it, let it dry a couple days, and then come back and re-oil it. Now the benefit of the oil, since it does soak into the wood, it's gonna preserve the wood from soaking in any moisture whatsoever, which will help avoid any swelling and contracting, which eventually weakens the wood and could cause cracks and splits in the wood. But if you take a step back and look at this, it just really enhanced nicely. The project turned out beautiful. We're really happy with it. We hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of it, and we'll see you guys at the next project. Take care.